In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Square appointments to Wix. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just someone looking to streamline the booking process on your website. This step-by-step guide will help you integrate Square's powerful appointment tool directly into your Wix site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional booking feature that's easy for your customers to use and allows you to manage appointments seamlessly. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, we're heading over to the Square homepage. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button. It should be easy to spot at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll need to enter the email address and password associated with your Square account. Double-check those details to ensure everything is correct, and once you're ready, sign in to access your Square dashboard. Once you're in the Square dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. From here, we're going to locate the More Tools option. It's usually listed in the menu, so click on that and then go ahead and select Appointments. This is where the magic happens. Under the Appointments section, you should see an option labeled Online Booking. Click on that and then select Channels. Now, we're going to set up the integration with your Wix site. To do this, choose the option that says Add your booking flow to an existing site. Click on Get Started, and then you'll see the option to generate an embed code. Click on Get Embed Code, and when the code appears, you'll notice a small copy icon next to it. Click that to copy the embed code to your clipboard. Once you've done that, click Done to finalize this step on the Square side. Next, it's time to switch gears and head over to Wix. Log into your Wix account, and once you're in, select the website you want to edit. This will take you to the Wix Editor, where we'll integrate the Square Appointments tool in the editor. Navigate to the Add section area. This is where you can add new elements to your site. From there, click on Add Elements and use the search bar to look for code. You're specifically looking for the Embed Custom HTML option. Once you see it, select it and then click on Embed HTML. This will open up an HTML box on your page where we'll paste the embed code. Now, simply paste the embed code you copied earlier into the HTML box. Once you've done this, click Update to save your changes and finalize the integration. You're almost done, but before we wrap up, it's important to test the booking feature. Go through the booking process as if you were a customer. This will help you ensure that everything is working smoothly. Once you've confirmed the functionality, take a moment to adjust the placement of the booking section on your Wix site. Make sure it's easy to find and accessible for your visitors. Lastly, double-check the embed code you pasted to ensure there are no typos or errors that could affect how the feature works. And there you have it. You've successfully added Square appointments to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.